love the stacked up kind of feel of it. Very cool. These things are friggin' massive. Oh, can you imagine them floating? Oh, because that is, like, how tall is that? Like, that's twice my height. Okay, see, I was saying 9 feet, kind of reaching up yesterday, but that's crazy. That's a lot of ice. Man, it's solid. And there was only one of these yesterday, so one of these came in yesterday. I would have loved to have seen it come in. Oh, guys, if you're looking for anything for getting a shot with icicles, these frozen icicles here are beautiful. I can't get over how slippery this is compared to yesterday. But it wasn't minus 20 yesterday when I was down here. It was minus 7 or 8. I'm thinking from the other side the lighting's going to be nice on that. Hopefully we'll get that same kind of a feel and effect. That's hard on the shins when you break through. Yep. What a place, eh? You walk this every day in the summer. You get to know it so intimately. And then to see it totally different, it's like this friend that you spent every day with for years growing up, and then all of a sudden you're separated for 20 years and all of a sudden you get back together. It's like it's the same person but totally different. Is this awesome or what? I gotta get a couple pictures of you up there, Pierre. Be careful, man. kind of like being in a kayak. Not quite though. I gotta get a couple pictures of you reaching for that. Yeah. Oh. Pierre, this is gonna be very cool. Once we're in the next beach, it'll be easier for sure, because then we can get down lower. Right now, I don't know if we can without, we'd be at water. So it's got to be bust through this way. And you're almost better, instead of trying to stay above it, you're almost better to bust it up front, and then there's no surprises. Holy, it's just... Unbelievable. I need to get down there and get a couple shots looking this way though regardless, so I'm gonna go past you. Just carefully pick my way down through here. mackerel. Unbelievable. Offering this way to our tours, I guess. Yeah, go ahead. Yeah. Before we climb into the cars, I want to do a snapshot of the three of our faces close together, a selfie.